All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your career readiness assignment here in this class. This is required by the State Department of Education that all classes assign you some type of career readiness assignment. So this is the one we're doing in our class here. Now, I will say that if you have me for multiple classes, like if you have me for psychology and for U.S. history, you can obviously just use the same assignment for both classes. You don't need to redo it. Okay, I'll say that again. You don't need to do double the work. If you're in two of my classes, you can just use the same assignment that you completed for one of the classes for the other one as well. So what you're going to be doing here is looking at the OSHA, or Occupational Safety and Health Administration Workers' Rights brochure. You'll see there's a lot of information here, but the WebQuest will help guide you through this little brochure that OSHA provides to people. It tells you about your rights as a worker, what are some of the laws that are in place to protect workers, and what are some other legal requirements that fall under OSHA as well. So take your time reading through this, all right? And then when you do finish that, you'll see here that this is the document, and it's a nice blue document, and you're just going to type right in the boxes as you see here, me doing here on the screen, and just make sure that you do upload this into Zello, okay? You are not uploading this document into Schoology. You need to upload this into Zello, so if you're unsure how to complete this in Zello, please make sure you watch the top video that's above this assignment on how to get to Zello and how to submit work in Zello, because that's where all these assignments must be submitted for the state as well. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. And good luck on this, and I hope to talk to y'all soon. Take care, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye bye.